Number 47, Hillary Isaac.
Number 41, Cherry Gail Cabanto.
Number 42, Clarissa Calingasa. You know.
Alright, the top 5 for women's bikini short
A
category.
little trivia, si number 43, last year naman sumali yung boyfriend niya.
So now siya.
Now siya naman. So may support system, di ba? Sarap kumain sa bahay nila, very healthy.
Sige.
Okay?
Sige.
Sige, ibigay na natin.
Let's give them.
Okay.
We will call once again to award the top 5, Mr. Nicky Chai and Ms. Gemini Crosby. Alright.
Dapat din na sila alis.
Huwag na kayo umalis dyan. Dyan lang kayo. Alright, top 5. Fifth placer is number 44, Kesha Baterna.
Okay. Our fourth placer. Sino, tagal ko na kaibigan to eh. Nagsisimula pa lang yata ako mag-workout. Nakilala ko na to. Okay, our fourth placer is number 47, Hillary Isaac. Ayan, palakpakan naman muna natin. Congrats, Hillary. O, diba? From 20 years ago till now, sexy pa rin. Which means 20 lang ako.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, move on tayo. Move on tayo.
Congratulations, Hillary. And now our third placer is...
Third placer is number 42, Clarissa Calirasan.
Wow.
They're super sexy.
Eto na. Sino kaya magwawagi? Kayo po, sino sa tingin nyo magsa-champion? Number 41 or number 43? Wala. Okay.
Pwede yun.
Pwede yun, pwede yun.
Pwede na, pwede na. Also to win a medal and cash gift, and of course the shirts from Ensayo, we have the second placer, number 41, Cherry Gail Cabanto.
Okay, mukhang yung isa mag-reverse diet na. Simula mamaya. Mag-pizza na siya.
Pizza and cake.
Pizza and cake, yeah. How many weeks did you girls have? 2 weeks? Kayo to prepare? Months. Number 42 months.
Wow, that's amazing.
Number 44, gaano ka katagal nag-prepare? Miss Keisha?
2 months.
2 months siya?
2 months. So you have 2 weeks to a few months. It's all worth it, ladies. And of
2
course
weeks.
now, we'd like to call on the champion of women's bikini short division is...
Okay?
Sorry naman. Excited lang.
Okay. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating ladies, women's bikini short division.
Yes.
And our champion, Patricia Ramos, number 43.
Patricia Ramos, congratulations.
Since you won. Her boyfriend.
Eto, pwede sila mag-beso-beso.
Oh, pwede na kayo mag-best. Nag-nose to nose. Yan yung magaganda dyan eh. Oh, diba?
Grabe, ladies, congratulations. Very, very
Exciting makita rin kung ano yung post nila sa IG nila, nakakainin nila, di ba? Yan yun eh.
Yun yung
Oh,
prize.
yun yung price eh. May 2 weeks, in 2 weeks, ibig sabihin, all year long in shape siya. Yun. That's how we do. Congratulations, ladies. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Okay, so again, our the people who give the awards will be